一套由法国游戏团队开发的猫咪电玩最近上架，让很多的猫奴玩家爱不释手。游戏以角色扮演的方式进行，玩家扮成一只流浪猫，在陌生的机器人城市闯关，寻找失散的家人。在过程当中，以猫咪的视角在屋檐上跳来跳去，或者是进入到别人家的客厅抓沙发，身临其境的沉浸感，不止玩家很享受，就连一起盯着荧幕的家猫也很投入。
当一只猫是什么感觉？与其要家里的喵皇开口，许多猫奴抢着玩最新上架的这款猫咪电玩。
You play as a cat that falls inside a mysterious cyber city and is separated from its family, alone and injured at the beginning of the game.
角色扮演，但这次玩家透过猫咪的视角闯天下。游戏推出让许多玩家爱不释手，因为光是体会喵星人在屋檐上跳来跳去，闲来无事抓沙发。 还有把东西拨到地上的快感，就很享受。
You start to feel like a cat, which is perhaps his biggest achievement. You suddenly discover the joy that comes from just pushing something on the edge of a table off.
还有专用的喵叫指令，喜欢疗愈猫叫声的朋友尽管按。由法国游戏团队开发，推出短短几天，许多玩家分享家中的猫咪，也很着迷。
She mostly has ignored video games, but the moment I put this one on, she kind of reacted and ran to the screen to look at it. Still now, she will hop up and try and lick the screen.
身临其境的沉浸式体验，不止人类玩家乐在其中，猫咪也看到无法自拔。张立德编译。